are now boarding the car to go to Naiya.
Adam, over here because Lola will arrive.
We are going. Today is the day at 12 o'clock. It's 7 a.m. now. Yeah.
Real, recognize real.
Sometimes I lose. Everything is sad and sour. I just really stressed. Oh, don't look at the bummer. I gotta start and pour. You wanna start with love, baby? That's over. Oh, look, give us some fire.
Even if we break, we always knew. When we under pressure, we show true. We all die a man, don't hide no truth. No, cause the pain will go away, we hate to play it. Yeah, we come and go. Why you keep worrying, what for? And if you think it's not enough, fill it up now. And if you feel like you can't do a thing you wanted to do, just breathe. I'm letting it go. All this time, I'll see it through. I'm going to the things I do. You can't keep me down. Oh yeah, you can't keep me down. All these days, you go through. Sometimes don't believe.
Here now in Terminal 1. They're preparing. So big! The engine is on. I don't know if you can see that first, but there's like warping there. It means it's hot. Can you see it there? There's behind the air. There's like a warp something. I don't think you can see it there. I can see it. Yeah, there, but in the camera you can see. That means the engine is on, I think. It's very hot.
But going forward,
I don't know.
yay!
Japan Airlines.
Japan, Ama.
Mamaya pa naman. Aga pa, mami. 9:30 pa lang.
Mas mamaya po sa first priority kayo po. Kayo po pasok sa saan niyo po gusto dito? Dito na lang.
Diyan tayo, mami.
Dito na lang. Paglabas po natin dito mamaya.
We are here now at the gate. We are waiting for the airplane. We are 3 hours and 25 minutes early.
Yep, yes.
We are just gonna do something. What? 1, 2, buckle my shoes. Buckle some more.
5, 6, 9, 8, 8.
Guys, we're going now to Korea. Few minutes left, and then
1 hour.
Korea, and then USA. Korea.
That is enough.
hot here. There's two doors. And so big. This is our first time. Our first time on a...
Lobat ka na.
It's our first time doing Korean Airlines. And also, it is first time riding a bigger plane. Boeing 757. Right here in Korea, the airport. And then, few minutes until we go to the US, which is 11 hours.
49 na.